Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 12, chapter 11, genetics and evolution. Today's topic is genetics. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about a deviation of Mendel's second law. Deviation of Mendel's second law. Last class we have discussed about the deviation of Mendel's first law. Today we have to discuss briefly about the deviation of Mendel's second law. Complementary gene. What is complementary gene? When two genes from the two different alleles facilitate the expression of a particular trait is called complementary genes, and the interaction between these genes is called complementary interaction. Genetic explanation of complementary gene. Parental phenotype. Here taken white flower sweet pea and white flower sweet pea, but their genotypic condition is different. One is capital A, small b, and small a and capital B. Here A is responsible to be white and B is responsible to be sweet. Gamete, haploid, capital A small b, capital A small b, on the other hand same, small a capital B, small a capital B. Genotype of F1 generation, whose genetic condition will be capital A small a, capital B small b, and all will be same. Phenotype of F1 generation, all will be purple. F1 crossing between F1 generation. Phenotype of F1, purple male and purple female, crossed between purple flowered plant with purple flower plant, where one will be male, another will be female. Genotype capital A small a, capital B small b, crossed with capital A small a, capital B small b. Gamete will be haploid, that's why capital A, capital B, capital A small b. On the other hand, small a capital B, small b. Here same, capital A, capital B, capital A small b, small a capital B, small a small b. Result of F2 generation on a checkerboard. Capital A, capital B, capital A small b, small a capital B, small a small b, which comes from male flower, and the capital A, capital B, capital A small b, small a capital B, small a small b comes from female part of flower. Then this gamete may mixed from one another freely. Here we will get two colored of phenotype, purple flower and white flower. Phenotype of F2 generation, purple flower and white flower. Phenotypic ratio 9:7, but we know the phenotypic ratio will be 9:3:3:1 on the basis of second generation of Mendel's law. Follow here, when dominant gene A and B act together, the flower phenotype became purple. When one from capital A, capital B, or both of them were absent in the flower, phenotype became white. Interaction between complementary gene changes the F2 phenotypic ratio from 9:3:3:1 to 9:7. Dear students, let's see the another division of Mendel's second law. Epistatis. What is epistatis? The interaction of genes that are not alleles, in particular the suppression of the effect of one such gene by another, is called epistatis. Dominant epistatis, a form of epistatis in which dominant alleles of one gene can cause a masking effect on the expression of alleles that another locus. Genetic explanation. Parental phenotype: white leghorn and white Wyandotte, two different variety of chicken. Genotype: capital C, capital C, capital I, and small c, small c, small I, but their both color will be white. Gamete, haploid: capital C, capital I, capital C, capital I, and on the other hand small c, small I, small c, small I. Genotype of F1 generation will be capital C, small c, capital I, small I, all will be same. Phenotype of F1 generation, all will be white. F1 crossing between F1, phenotype white crossed with white colored cock. Genotype capital C, small c, capital I, small I. On the other hand, same genotypic condition, capital C, small c, capital I, small I. Gamete will be capital C, capital I, capital C, small I, small c, capital I, small c, small I. And right side will be same, capital C, capital I, capital C, small I, small c, capital I, small c, small I. Result of F2 generation on a checkerboard. Here capital C, capital I, capital C, small I, small c, capital I, small c, small I came from F1 cock, and the capital C, capital I, capital C, small I, small c, capital I, small c, small I came from F1 hen. Then this gamete may mixed freely with this gamete. Here we will get two type of chicken, white colored and colorful. Phenotype of F2 generation, white and color. Phenotypic ratio will be 13:3, but we know The phenotypic ratio of Mendel's second law will be 9:3:3:1. Here different, this is the deviation. Follow here from the checkerboard we can see that capital I had inhibited the expression of gene capital C. So feathers became white. C gene was expressed only when capital I was absent. Where capital I is present, it inhibits the expression the color of capital C. I produced a particular type of enzyme that was responsible for the color inhibition of gene capital C. As a result, phenotypic ratio became 13:3 instead of 9:3:3:1. Sex-linked disorder. Number 1, color blindness. Number 2, hemophilia. Number 3, muscular dystrophy. These 3 sex-linked disorders are discussed on your text and you have to read it yourself. Thank you.